If you want to hide your Snapchat story from someone but you're not sure how to do it on Android, well, you've come to the right place. Watch this video till the end to learn step by step the process of hiding your Snapchat story. So let's get started. Open Snapchat, tap on the avatar icon on the top left corner to go to the profile section. Then tap on the gear icon on the top right corner to open settings. Under privacy control section, tap on View My Story. Select Custom, then the list of your Snapchat friends will show up. Tap on the account you want to hide your story from. Then tap on the block button, and after that, your story will be kept hidden from that account. That was pretty simple, wasn't it? This method is applicable for both Android and iOS devices. If you want more tutorials just like this on Snapchat, let us know in the comment box, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updated on our latest videos, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.